We are not the first to walk this ground. We are the echo of every footstep that came before us. Look closely. The branching rivers in your lungs, the lightning in your veins, the spirals in your fingerprints. You are a living fractal, a pattern that repeats infinitely, from the first cell to the final breath. And inside that pattern, something older than language is still speaking. This is not just blood. This is a library written in 4 letters: A, T, C, G. But between the lines, in the silent chemistry of methyl groups and histone tails, entire lifetimes are annotated. Your grandfather's famine, your great-grandmother's grief, the smell of cherry blossoms your ancestor feared because it came before the odor of war. They never told you these stories. The body kept the score. Every generation thinks it starts fresh, a clean page, but the ink was already there, faint, invisible until the light of hardship hits it at the right angle. Scientists call it transgenerational epigenetic inheritance. The old ones called it blood memory. Both are saying the same thing. You arrived carrying luggage you never packed. In the months before you were born, your mother's joys and terrors were translated into chemical whispers. Stress hormones wrote warnings on your genes. Her lullabies wrote permission to trust the world. And farther back, through sperm and egg, your father's silences, his uncried tears, his unspoken pride, all of it folded into the origami of your becoming. This is not metaphor. This is mechanism. Mouse pups born to fathers who feared the smell of cherry blossom recoil from the same scent, without ever being taught. Grandchildren of Holocaust survivors are born with altered cortisol pathways. The children of Dutch hunger winter mothers carry the ghost of starvation in their metabolism. The body remembers, so the mind doesn't have to. And the pattern is never random. It is fractal, self-similar across scales. The same branching algorithm that built the tree outside your window built the airways in your chest, the capillaries in your eyes. The family tree that keeps repeating its triumphs and wounds until someone, somewhere, chooses to break the loop. This third-dimensional prison we call reality did not evolve us to escape it. It evolved us to survive it, to breed, to feed, to pass the pattern onward. But hidden inside the pattern is the pattern breaker, consciousness. The only force we know that can look at its own code and decide to rewrite a line. When you sit in silence long enough, you can feel them, not as ghosts, but as frequencies still resonating in your bones. The hunter who first tamed fire. The woman who buried her child under an oak and kept walking. The boy who decided revenge was not the only inheritance he would accept. They are all here, watching through your eyes, waiting to see what you will add to the story. You are not a single note. You are a chord played across millennia. Every wound you heal in yourself tunes the chord sharper for those who come after. Every time you choose love over repetition, the fractal shifts. One generation's ceiling becomes the next generation's floor. We are the memory that never forgets. And we are the first generation with the knowledge, the science, to become the architects of our own inheritance.